Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a canvas sized for your output and setting 300 dpi if you plan to print. This preserves detail. Next, pick 3 brushes, a soft round for blending, a textured brush for grain, and a custom brush for detail work. Then, create ordered layers, base color, clothes, or main block, and separate clipping groups for highlights and shadows. Once done, lock the base and use low opacity strokes to build form rather than hard outlines. You now block in value to establish strong contrasts so the painting reads from a distance. Use a grayscale pass or desaturate a copy to verify. After values are solid, switch to color. Paint on separate layers with multiply for mid to deep shadows and screen, or overlay for lighter accents, because blend modes preserve underlying form. Make sure to sample nearby colors and work with 30–60% opacity brushes to build smooth transitions. Once you see volume, refine edges and introduce texture only where it supports focus. You finish by refining edges and sharpening focal areas so the eye knows where to rest. Hard edges emphasize focus and soft edges keep background receding. Apply final adjustment layers, curves, color balance, and a subtle unsharp mask to unify tone and punch. Make sure to merge non-essential layers into a working copy to keep file tidy. If something goes wrong, revert to layer snapshots, lower conflicting layer opacity, or copy a previous layer and paint over it. This preserves progress while fixing mistakes quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.